me, I swear, if it was raining vaginas outside, I'd walk out here and get hit with a 4-foot dick. Just right across. So my dumb ass goes over to the Fight Club to get groceries. If you don't know what the Fight Club is, that's Walmart. Yep, the local, they call it Super Walmart. I don't know why they call it Super, but we call it the Fight Club. Well, it's allergy season, and look where I live. I live in all the allergies, all the sneezy pollens right here. So I sneeze a lot. Well, I pull up in the Fight Club to go get my groceries, and I go to get out the car, put one leg out the damn thing, and as soon as I did, I sneezed, and when I sneezed, I shit right in my fucking pants, right there. Now I'm half in, half out of the car, and I don't know what to do because every decision is wrong at this point. So I got back in the car, I hovered on the seat, I drove home, driving a stick and hovering your ass up. That's fun. I finally get home, jump in the shower, and snit all over the shower. A sneeze shit. I said, Hershey did. What the fuck is